If a medical titanium bar RFQ says only ASTM F136 and a diameter, the quote is still incomplete. This is an eddy current inspection line for titanium bar. The bars move through the station before packing, but the important question is not whether a machine appears in the video. It is what the buyer asked the supplier to verify. Eddy current testing can help screen surface and near-surface discontinuities. It is one part of an inspection route. It does not replace dimensional checks, surface inspection, chemistry, mechanical properties, or any other test required by the drawing or purchase specification. That is why inspection must be defined before the quote. For medical titanium bar, start with the exact material standard. ASTM F67 covers unalloyed titanium for surgical implant applications. ASTM F136 covers wrought titanium 6 aluminum 4 vanadium Eli. They are different materials, so writing only medical titanium is not enough. Then define the bar itself: diameter, cut length, tolerance, straightness, and surface condition. A peeled bar, a polished bar, and a precision ground bar may begin with similar stock, but they do not follow the same finishing and inspection route. The second clip shows medical titanium round bars being rolled across a flat inspection table to check straightness. Rolling helps reveal bending or runout as the bar rotates, but the acceptance tolerance still has to come from the RFQ. Tell the supplier what the downstream machining process needs. A quotable RFQ can be written in one line: material standard and grade, diameter and length, tolerance and straightness, surface finish, quantity, inspection method and acceptance criteria, certificate and traceability requirements, and the downstream process. Certificate scope also matters. If your quality system needs an N10204 3.1 certificate, heat number traceability, test reports, labels, or packing records, state that before production. Asking for additional documents after the material is finished can add delay or require work that was never priced. So when you watch an inspection line video, do not ask only, do they test the bar? Ask which requirement the test is tied to, what acceptance criteria apply, and which document will record the result. For a medical titanium bar RFQ, send the material standard, dimensions, finish, inspection scope, certificate requirement, quantity, and downstream process. That is enough for a supplier to review the real route before quoting.